Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Chrome itself won't be the weak link. First, update Chrome so security rules are current. Outdated builds let ads bypass filters. Once done, open the Extensions page and immediately remove any extension you do not recognize or need, because many unwanted ads come from rogue add-ons. Then go to Site Settings and enable the built-in pop-up and redirect blocker to stop automatic ad redirects, while you proceed to add focused protection. Next, you install a powerful content blocker and configure it aggressively. Install uBlock Origin, choose Community Trusted Filters, and then open its dashboard. Enable strict block lists plus cosmetic filtering so banners and injected elements are removed, not just hidden. Make sure to whitelist only sites you trust. If a particular domain keeps serving ads, add a site-specific filter rule to block its scripts and frames. These steps stop the majority of in-page and overlay ads at the source. Finish by cleaning leftovers and locking settings down. Clear Chrome's cache and cookies so any ad-serving tokens are removed, then sign back into the services you use. Make sure site notifications are disabled globally because push notifications are a common ad vector. If ads still appear, reset Chrome settings or run a reputable anti-malware scan. Hostile extensions or adware on the system often survive browser changes. If nothing helps, temporarily create a new Chrome profile to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.